In terms of price, resistive screens are generally more affordable than touch screens. This is mainly because the resistant screen technology is more mature, the production process is relatively simple, so the manufacturing cost is low. The touch screen, especially the high-end capacitive touch screen, due to the use of more advanced technology and materials, the manufacturing cost is relatively high, so the price will be higher. However, it should be noted that price is not the only consideration for choosing a resistive screen or touch screen. Users also need to consider specific application scenarios, usage requirements, and the overall performance of the product. For example, although the price is lower, the resistant screen may not perform well in multi-touch, gesture recognition, and other aspects of the high-end touch screen. The touch screen has higher sensitivity and better user experience, which is suitable for complex operations and rich interactions. Therefore, when choosing a resistive screen or touch screen, users need to consider various factors, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the product that best suits their needs. At the same time, you can also pay attention to the price dynamics and promotional activities in the market to obtain more favorable prices. In general, resistive screens are relatively cheaper in terms of price, but touch screens may have more advantages in terms of performance and user experience. Users can make choices based on their needs and budget.